Good morning, SK.
And happy Pep Assembly Day.
Yes, I cannot believe it's already the last Pep Assembly of the year.
I know. And can you believe it's our last Pep Assembly ever?
Whoa, wait, what?
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah, I might need a minute to process that. You should start the news.
Starting off with some graduation news. If you missed Justin's delivery day, please collect any items you ordered from the counseling office during non-class time. Yard signs are still available as well. Pick one up after school today. Want to perform at the Tacoma Dome during the graduation ceremony? Sing, read a speech, or play an instrument. Auditions will be after school on Wednesday. Contact Mrs. Van Hoof if you're interested in. Seniors, sign up for SK Crown today. Show off your skills and talents in this beauty pageant parody, where there will be different acts and even a question section. But at the end of the day, only one senior will be SK crowned. This year's senior photo will be taken on Monday, April 29th. Seniors, as the date grows closer, stay posted for more information. Now this is for everyone. The last assembly of the year is just hours away. Hey South, in just a couple hours, this gym is going to be filled to the brim with all of you for our last Pep Assembly of the year. Here's what you need to know. Your last period will end at 1 o'clock and the assembly will start at 1:05. Remember, you have to either be at the assembly or an approved alternative. The seating for today is as follows. Seniors and juniors are on the small bleachers, while freshmen and sophomores are on the large bleachers along with band. Now, if assemblies aren't your thing, you can go to one of the many alternatives up on screen right now. If it's going by too fast, they will also be ran on the TVs in the commons. I can't wait to see all your spirit this afternoon. Seniors, remember to show up since this is our last Pep Assembly of our high school career.
Man, I'm excited for the assembly. I wonder which class will win. Seniors. Anyway, in general news, ASB elections are coming. Grab election packets from the ASB office and turn them in by April 19th. Stay tuned for candidate meetings as you must attend one to be eligible to run. It is not too late to buy a yearbook. Purchase from the ASB office or online for $65. Tolo is tomorrow, and today is your last day to buy a ticket. They are only available until 3 today, no exceptions. Speaking of Tolo, let's get some more information on how to make tomorrow night amazing.
Hi agents, we need to get some ladies for this dance, am I right?
Wait, what dance?
Agent R, it's obviously Tolo.
Where did this come from?
Where did everyone go?
Okay, anyways, Tolo is our school dance on April 13th from 7 to 10 p.m. The theme is A Night in New Orleans, and all proceeds go to the class of 2025's general funds. So now do you know what Tolo is, Agent R?
I do, Agent J. I'm so excited.
Also students, do not forget to bring your ID to the dance or else you will not be allowed in. If you forget your ID, well, you might just run into...
Oh, whoops. Sorry, you guys caught me practicing my moves for tomorrow. I can't wait. The fun at South doesn't end after this weekend. Get excited because there is going to be a lip sync contest hosted by the band next Friday in the theater. This event will feature your teachers performing their favorite songs from popular groups like the Spice Girls and maybe even a few boy bands that you may have heard of. Attend Paint and Snack, a paint night for students, staff, and families. It will be on May 9th in the Commons. The cost is $5 per person. Another exciting event on the horizon is the 2024 Women in Trades Fair in May. You will have the opportunity to learn about apprenticeships and career opportunities available to you after graduation. It's free to attend, so get your field trip permission slip in the Career Center today. Forms are due next Friday. There was a lot in the world of SK sports yesterday. For more, we have Owen.
Thanks, Reese. Jack was victorious over Bellman. On the boys' side, Box won the 100, Clark won the 200, Smith won the 800, and Stafford won the 300 hurdles. The 4x100 relay of Hugh, Cruz, Bergs, and Burns won. Also winning was Cyphers in shot put, Arnold for discus, DeGaramore for the triple jump, and the 4x100 won as well. Before we get back into track, here's the girls tennis team. They put up a strong effort against Bellarmine yesterday. They play again next week. Now, back to track news. For the girls, Glazner was in the 100, Barker the 200, Laws the 800, and Hampton the 1600. The girls 4x100 meter won their relay. Grace DeGaramore won both of the shot and discus. She also broke a school record with a throw of 146 and 11 inches. Filbert won the javelin, and Bernard won the triple jump. Track and field will have a meeting today after school. Water polo was back in action against Peninsula. Hoisington and Baker led the team in scoring with 2 goals each, followed by 1 apiece from Heberlin and Spiker. JV also had a harder time with freshman Nelson scoring 2 goals while Cummins made several great blocks in the goal. Soccer scored several goals against Bellarmine last night, like this one. C team, JV, and varsity will all be away on Tuesday as they make their march towards the end of the season. In the scheduled events, baseball will be facing Sumner with JV at home and varsity away. Fast pitch will be facing off against North Kitsap away. Tomorrow, track will be at the South Sound Classic over at Sparks. C-Team baseball will have a doubleheader against Emerald Ridge starting at noon. Finally, C-Team soccer also takes on Olympia at noon. And now, back to the rest of the news.
Thanks, Owen. Marketing students, want to attend the Seattle Mariners Career Day? It only costs $28, so see Ms. Vider for a permission slip. SK Latte and the DECA Student Store have some exciting new flavors for us. You can try their Lavender Haze or Coconut Dream Latte today. And next week, keep your eye out for Creamsicle Frozen Yogurt at the Student Store. In club news, join Flicks Club. They meet on the first and third Thursdays of each month from 2:15 to 4 p.m. in room 219. The only club meeting today is Builders of Unity. Meeting Monday will be Chaos, Interact, International, Magic the Gathering, and National Honor Society.
Guess who?
Let me guess. Reese, is that you?
You got me. I'm just gearing up for the New Orleans themed weekend, the Pep Assembly Tolo. I can't wait.
I can't either. Look at the time. You know, we should probably start practicing getting loud for the Pep Assembly.
And we gotta practice our dancing for Tolo.
That's true. See you soon, SK.
Go!